Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Homescapes gaming platform on your Windows 11 system. We will download and install it in your Windows 11 system through Microsoft Store. Go to Windows Search and type Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store. Here in search field simply type Homescapes and choose the appeared result, Homescapes game. Click on it and here you will see Homescapes gaming platform is now appeared. Simply click on get and let the Microsoft Store downloading process completed. Getting ready, checking dependencies, preparing to download, and approx 2 GB 2.7 GB size of file. So wait till 100% downloading completed. That's all.